Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well, and this is me Rahul, and I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSC Logi. And let's get started with the Hindu analysis dated 14th of December 2020, and we are going to cover the Hindu for your public administration optional, and I am going to link the current affairs, and I am going to tell you that which all are the current affairs that you have to remember, that you have to read insofar as the public administration optional for UPSC civil services and state PSC examination are concerned. Okay, so let's get started, and before beginning let me tell you that there is a magazine called Public Administration Current Affairs magazine. You can download this current affair magazine from the month of July itself, and you can also opt for the subscription. The link and the procedure and everything is given in the description box. You can check it out. Okay, so let's get started with the Hindu dated 14th of December. There is one important news article on the editorial page. On the editorial page there is a editorial with respect to breakup. Okay, this is not that breakup, but yes, breakup is something, breaking up is something, that is the news, that is the title of the news. So basically the news is going on with respect to the Facebook. Okay, so Facebook is creating the monopoly. Facebook is creating the monopoly by using the technique called buy or bury. This is something that you can use in your answers. They are using this buy or bury, means either they would buy the things, like they have in the past, in the recent past, they have purchased or they have acquired the WhatsApp, they have acquired the you can say this Instagram as well. So they are acquiring the platforms, and either they are buying the platforms, or on the other hand, either they are buying, or what they are doing, they are basically burying the other platform by not providing the other, you can say, the room to those platforms. Okay, means they are creating that anti competition strategy or something like that. So they are using those playbooks things in the practical things, and ultimately they are creating the monopoly, which is not good. Okay, so basically privatization is good, but privatization, the monopoly of a particular private company is not good for the bigger, you can say, perspective. Okay, for example, recently they have opted for the things like if you have seen the news recently, they are basically coming up with the cryptocurrency Libra and other things. So basically this is not good. Okay, you have to read this article, you have to be, you can say, regular with respect to this article. Why? Because this is the part of the regulation, because regulation is something which is the part of the public administration paper 1 hashtag organization. So regulation is something that is important, and whatever the, you can say, hearing or whatever is going on in this specific news article, you have to note those things in order to quote those things in your public administration paper 1, so that you can give the international perspective to your answers when it comes to regulation or other things. Okay, in Indian context we have different things, we have different regulatory body, but these things you can use in order to show your understanding with respect to the topic called regulation. Okay, insofar as the India is concerned, Damodaran committee is there, you have to read that as well. But yes, in the international dynamics, international context, this is something that you can use as the example, and this is something that is important for you. And kindly note the important, you can say, orders, judgments, the statements by Facebook, or for that matter the the kind of regulatory bodies. So you can quote those things in the answers, and you can use them. Okay, so in the upcoming days, whenever I got those things, I will definitely bring those things in the magazine as well. So these are the things that you should read. Apart from that, there is one specific small news that the recently DIG of DIG prison, if I am not wrong, DIG prison of this Punjab, the person, they basically, he has resigned from the post because of this farmers protest, because of you can say the kind of, you can say, support, the solidarity he is showing. So basically you can link this thing with your personal administration, and you can use this thing in your ethics etc, means like solidarity, or you can say conscience or whatever. Okay, you can use them, and insofar as the administration is concerned, you should be thorough with these kind of things. Like in case studies, you should prepare these things, whether it is right right or not, whether a person should you can say resign like this or not. Okay, so that thing you can use. And apart from that, in personal administration, you can use this point in any kind of, as per the situation, as such you can use this specific point, because this is something that is, you can say, that is not expected when you are in the services, when you are in the civil services, that you should resign or you should do anything like that. But yes, he has resigned, obviously. So you can use this thing, use this point insofar as the, you can say, the neutrality perspective, or you can say compassion and other things are there. These are the civil services values, and you can basically, in the administrative ethics portion of your PubEd personal administration, you can obviously use this thing as one of the examples. So kindly be aware about these kind of situation, these kind of news, and prepare these things for your ethics as well as for your public administration. This is it for the day. I hope you are getting all the points. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye and take care.